All right. So one of the issues that Shopify dropshippers run into, and people that are advertising on Google run into, is this right here: ready to serve limited missing value shipping. And it's kind of a pain. So the reason why I'm making this video is because there's just not a lot of information. I'm just looking to see if there's any information out there about how to fix this. So I'm gonna make this video to show you guys how to overcome this. It's pretty easy. This video is gonna be less than 5 minutes long. It's so easy. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to your Google Merchant Center account. I'm gonna sign in. I have a bunch of accounts that I manage. Just want to make sure it's the right one. All right, here we go. All right, so what you want to do, let's see that I have a lot of products. This is a testing website. It's where I test products. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to shipping and returns. Go to the settings, shipping and returns. The reason why I have this error message for these products right here is because I am selling these products globally. And I already fixed it, I already added it. It just hasn't kicked in yet over here. So that's the first thing. You want to figure out why you have this error, okay? So this right here is my domestic shipping rates. What I do is I charge $9.99 for any orders that are less than $5. So we have that here. And then I just created a global shipping rate, and I'm going to show you how to do that right here. So we can call it worldwide. You add your countries that you want to sell into. So let's do United Kingdom, for example. I'm going to use our currency. So I don't know what the conversion is going to be. If I figure that out at the customer's location. You can just do anything here. I'm just going to do 2 to 3 days, Monday through Friday, just to kind of give me some breathing room. If you do want to get the fast and free shipping logo, though, you want to do 1 to 2 days or 0 to 2 days. You want to get your product shipped out ASAP. But only put this if you can deliver this. Don't overpromise and underperform. And then you want to put the transit time in here. So let's do 5 to 15 days. Through Friday. Just because I'm shipping from the US, I just want to set realistic expectations. And then here's where you set the shipping price. What I do is I charge $9.99 for all international orders. But if you do it for free, that's probably going to help you out. That'd probably help out your Google shopping ads when you're advertising in other countries. Feel free to put free if that's what you do. But if you do charge shipping, then you'd be lying. And then you save it. So it is that easy. This was just an example, so I'm going to delete it. Now, if you want to ship domestic, let's put United States, US dollar, delivery at the customer's address. This is kind of cool. If you want, you can sync your Shopify store to show custom delivery times based on your carrier partner. I like to just kind of go at my own pace. I have a lot of products. If I had a one product website, then I'd probably get a little bit more specific here, which would optimize my ads. And then it's just, the same thing that I showed you previously with worldwide. You fill these out. All right, I want to keep this video under 5 minutes. I've done that. If you have any questions, post a comment in the comment section below. I'd be happy to help you out.